Kristen Stream Pack to the stream. We're doing a special stream today with some amazing people. We have got Owain from YnChwarae, who do a wonderful YnChwarae rhan fwyaf dal. Owain?
Yeah, ni'n
Yeah.
ni'n dal stream on Cymraeg, we're still streaming in Welsh.
Who are a wonderful group of part with like Morgan, pawb yn anhygoel, and they stream on Twitch and YouTube. Same username, isn't it, on YouTube?
Yeah, it's at
Yeah.
YnChwarae on everything.
And then we have got the wonderful Ellyll,
Hi.
who still playing Baldur's Gate.
Yep.
Oh, anyway.
There's no disguises.
Ydy o'n un gair ar gyfer username chdi?
De.
Oh, sorry. There you go. Go follow Commander Ellyll as well. And you also have the wonderful Dermot. Oh, your screen here. Who I know you stream a lot of stuff. What have you been streaming recently?
Sims 4 and The Wandering Village.
Nice. How are you finding Sims 4?
Good, diolch. Yeah. It was good. It's just difficult getting the audio right.
Yeah. If you want to handle it, I can give you a hand off screen.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we have Frossin. I'll give you a shout out on your Twitch thing anyway. He was a wonderful human being. And has not been streaming for a while, but go follow them because they are wonderful. Just like Mother and Huggle are lovely.
I last streamed Eurovision. That's how long ago I streamed, so...
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I know.
I want to hear anything bad against Eurovision in this chat. Nothing. You.
So we are here today. We're doing a special stream. We're doing hide and seek, which we'll go through like some of the rules and stuff in a second. But we're raising money for a wonderful Tŷ Gobaith. And YnChwarae has already raised. How much did you raise again? Sorry.
175 we did on our stream.
Oh wow, yeah. So they've been live between 10 and half 5.
Yeah.
So there's links in the chat now. It's if you put the I want to say Metal Gear Solid logo, but it's not the Metal Gear Solid thing. Be di enw fo? Commands.
Oh.
I know it's the little goes on
Exclamation
above
mark.
Snake's head. Exclamation mark, diolch. I just know it's Metal Gear Solid when you get found. With the little noise.
Yeah.
Donating it Roddy, bringing that up, and diolch I pawb sydd then. I believe Emmy put, was it 4,800? Has raised so far, and it's all going to Tŷ Gobaith, which helps with family who have got chronic illnesses, also help them with palliative care between the death of their children and in between the funerals and stuff, and basically gives all them care. So all the money's going towards there. It's a really good cause. There's about 60 streamers, mae'n ar 60 o ffrydwyr yn neud o. I believe it's going up until midnight tomorrow. No. Yeah, like Saturday midnight, nos dy Sadwrn. So it's going to a really good cause. So that is the special occasion. So so it's a little bit hide and seek. So who's new? So yeah, give us a thing. And give everybody who's playing a follow and stuff as well. I think that's introductions done. I hope everybody cadw'n saff. I'm Linnet Creative. They, she, he, no. This is the world I've been working on for about 3 years now. Tair blwyddyn? Ish. I've done Caerphilly Castle before, but this is my Wumby Street Cardiff world. And we're playing hide and seek. So we'll do like the first round where it's just hide and seek, and then we might do swords after.
Sounds good.
Yeah? Cool.
Yeah.
Who
Yep.
wants to do hide first and who wants to seek first? We'll do this as a test.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide first, I think.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Just gonna go quickly.
That's the entire
Who wants
map,
to seek?
right?
Sorry?
Is this the one person
Yeah,
seeking
entire
the
map.
entire map?
Yeah,
Oh,
entire
be a
map. So
while.
we'll
Yeah,
do
I'll
like
seek. I'll seek.
oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I just mute? Yeah. If you want to just mute while you're hiding, then if that's easier.
So,
We'll
we don't-
do like.
okay, I'll
Gonna
move
do
someone
Yeah.
to
Do
Yeah?
we just
you wanna do-
unmute when we get caught, is it?
Yeah, unmute when you get caught, or if you need a hand.
Yeah.
If you want to need a hand,
Okay.
we can go into the separate channels. I thought I'd
That sounds good,
done the
yeah.
cues.
Do we join the seeker
Yeah,
then,
just-
if we get caught?
Yeah,
that-
and you could just
yeah.
have a
Yeah.
wander around the world if you,
Nice.
or if you want to like follow.
What's
Sounds
that
Yeah.
game? Sardine? Not sardines. It was a mob, isn't it? Where you add to the next person, so you find that person, and two people then search for the next person.
Oh yeah, that's up to you, all of you.
Ooh.
Makes the map a lot easier.
Right.
A lot easier.
I don't know if it's a big map or not.
Linos, you've done a lot of work in here. Like,
Yeah.
you've done an amazing
have
lot
I?
of job. I'm.
I didn't. Okay, we'll do the.
This-
If you get found, then we'll do the rule of if you get found, you follow us round. Then, or you can try and find other people as well.
Okay.
But you gotta
Yeah.
stick together, so you can't be like one person here, one person outside the map. That feels a bit cheaty. You gotta
Yeah.
stick
Yeah. Okay.
together.
Yeah. We all
Mm.
stick together. Okay. Cool.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Do you want to do like we'll give like 2 minutes for people to hide?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
Who's-
do you want a minute? I don't know.
Who's
Really.
hiding?
Like-
Mm-hmm. And do we?
Where do you want me to go?
Should we mute when you start? When you finish counting down, so we're like, oh, you're never gonna find me here.
Do you want to all hide first, and
Yes.
I'll try find you, so you get
Yeah.
a good view of.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And then,
So we're all
I
hiding
will-
first.
yeah. So if you want to do like a minute, and then I'll come find you. I'll just go into this building, so it's fair for you, so I don't see where you go.
Okay.
Right.
Can I open doors? Yeah. I know earlier I couldn't open doors.
Can you open doors? Do I need to change the access?
You might have to change the access
think-
because I can't open doors.
Oh no, can
You
I?
can't open. Oh, I'm
Nope.
so sorry. I thought you could.
Nope.
Wait.
It
Yeah.
makes it harder.
Lino's cheating on the
Oh,
first.
Oh,
one
these
already.
doors are open. Yeah.
Good.
You wanna
Uh,
hide, but you can't.
then, nah. What do I need? No. How do I do this? If I do you all to members, you should be okay, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can open and close doors now.
Oh,
Cool.
I
Yeah,
can't.
so it's just no breaking blocks, obviously, because I think it's cheating. Oh, is that me?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
me.
I don't do it with Minecraft. It's like when I'm building, I go to press L2. Yeah, cool. Okay. So, yeah, if you all want to go hide then, mute yourselves while you go hide. I will be here and I will give myself a timer of like a minute. I'll talk to chat. And then I'll come find you.
Sounds good.
Deal.
Good luck.
Okay, cool. Good luck, Phobe.
But look.
Alright. Yeah, dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhywun mynd I ffeindio fi o dan fan hyn. Sut dwi wedi dod lan fan hyn? Mae'n like, o dan y dear. O dan, like, y foundations y city. Oh, does dim ffordd allan, though. Does dim ffordd allan. Y unig ffordd yw draw fyna. Os rhaid just edrych ar y drosau nhw. Os rhaid gweld rhywun yn dod, mae'n rhedeg y loop round y rhedeg allan. Hwnna'n y plan. O! Rwy'n gallu gweld nameplate Linnet. O! Ble ydy hi'n mynd? Na, hi ddim dod lawr fan hyn, ydy hi? Gobeithio ddim. Na, hi'n mynd i ffwrdd, Hi'n mynd i mynd draw wedyn, just cadw llygaid ar yno, ble i mynd? O. Nes i dweud paint o distance i ffwrdd mae hi yn. Mynd i jogio rownd, angen cadw fy steps lan. Mae'n mynd i just pico allan. Mae'n massive lawr fan hyn. Mae'n mynd explore. Mae'n fel maze o dan fan hyn. Oh my days. Just edrych lan, edrych am nameplates. Oh, na. Oh, mae 'na dau nameplate draw hwnna. Oh, hwnna'n mynd tu allan. Yn nhw'n agos? Oh, nhw'n agos. Rhedeg. Oce, nhw wedi fynd. Nhw heb gweld fi, yn meddwl. Na, nhw'n dod, rwy'n meddwl. Yn nhw'n dod. Yn nhw'n dod. Oh, ie, nhw'n dod. Oh, run! Okay. Ydw fi wedi outrun nhw? Ne, no. Oh! Nhw'n lawr y corridor. Rhedeg! Oh! Na!
Got the Owain.
Ti'n cael fi.
So, pan... O'n i fatha, mae byd yn rili mawr. Nes ti mynd lawr trwy'r sipa? I cwestiwn.
Rwy'n fi'n dod lawr trwy, trwy adeilad fan hyn. Ble oedd e?
A ni'n meddwl...
Ie, mae grisiau fan hyn.
So, o'n i'n meddwl, o'n i fatha, dwi'n gwybod, o'na drysan gorad fama, a ni fatha, and I was like, I bet you somebody's gone through here. And I was like, oh, I can't find anybody. I'll go, literally off into my feels. And she said, yeah, English. And I was like, I can see usernames through the buildings. And I was like, dwi'n gwybod man. So there. And I was like, and he goes to symud, and I was like, I was really sad. Because o'n i fatha, is she i'r adeilad yma? I went to this building. I saw the doors. And I was like, are people just opening doors as a scapegoat? Ydyn nhw fatha?
Oedd yn syniad da. Ie, rwy'n fi gallu gweld eich nameplate ti yn mynd rownd i'ch ben. I was like, oh!
Actually, yeah. And I was like, okay, mae pobl wedi mynd, a ddim mynd i'r castell agos. Ond I'm siŵr. So I'm sure if pobl wedi mynd i'r tunneli eto chwaith. I wasn't sure if people found the tunnels yet.
Yeah, mae fel maze o dan fyna. I love it.
Dwi'n eisiau gwneud lot o llefydd I trio wneud siŵr bod pobl gallu cuddiad. I tried to make so you could hide a lot. I don't know if I didn't gormod o llefydd wan. Dwi'n neud gormod o llefydd.
I can see someone's name over here.
Ie, a ydy o lefel ni ta lefel o dan ni?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ross di.
No, you don't.
Okay, so mae hwn yn little bit cheaty. Dyma pam fatha ni fatha, os da chi eisiau gwneud fatha cuddiad. So, chi'n mynd o'r
Ie.
ffordd ma. Os ti'n mynd i drws yma. Cos dwi'n credu maen nhw'n tu fewn.
Meddwl
Ie,
mae'n...
mae
Aha.
na whole secret tunnel go iawn. Ella dwi'n neud gormod. Cos maen nhw fanna, os dwi'n meddwl nhw tu fewn adeilad. Think I found them.
Hey.
Yay!
Hey.
Ti'n gallu, we didn't realise this, Rosin, a ddim sylweddoli, ond ti'n gallu gweld username pobl.
Yeah, ni di gweld.
Yeah.
So...
Nhw yn kind of cifio pryd ti'n croucho.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like, os rwy'n mynd lawr fan hyn nawr, a wedyn rwy'n croucho, mae'n kind of disappear, di e?
Oh, my, it does.
O, dyn ni'n gwybod.
Yeah, that's the
Ooh.
tactics. I think Dermot is gone. I can't see their username on. Maybe they've gone further down. I think it would have been lots mwy. Yeah, dwi'n confused for hyn, in honest. Hold on. Wait. Nes i'n wneud... Okay, dwi'n gallu nadlo. Nes i'n wneud...
Yn cofio un peth.
So mae hwn yn cheatio, ond mae'n iawn, cos mae'n first round a by video. Cos nes i'n mynd for on.
Oh, ni di colli Rosin. Ble mae wedi mynd?
Dyma Rosin! Ni'n colli...
Rosin! Ble ti wedi mynd?
Help. We've got a map. Where's the map?
Oh, beth?
Rosin, lle ti?
I can't die.
Wait, ti wedi mynd mewn i'r fwyd?
Yep.
O, dear.
Dys ti'n mynd trwy... Uned.
So many holes.
Mama. Rosin. Sgwld fi?
Oh,
Ia.
lawr ffynna! Reit, lawr ffynna!
O, dwi wedi colli twll rwan. Neuad. Fama.
Oh.
Uh,
Oh, mae hwn
Ah,
yn
no.
hiding place yn half, ydy? Just neidio mewn i'r fwyd.
Sorry. O'n i'n mynd i cael... I thought I'd got all the holes. Where were you? Wait, hold on. Cyrda.
Roedd na twll fan hyn, ond rwy jyst wedi cyfro fel lan.
Diolch. Sorry. O'n i'n meddwl bod fi wedi cael bob un. Nath i dod ffordd ma, mynd trwy ffordd na, mynd ffordd na. O, yma. So os ti'n mynd allan ffordd yma. Na i dwi'n chat, cos... Wait, pawb? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, mynd ffordd ma. Sorry, dwi'n mynd hyd oed cofio lle, da ni wan. Yeah.
O, mae'n grisiau fan hyn.
Ti'n gael grisiau?
Ie.
Dau ffordd, da ni'n mynd ffordd ma. Yeah, we'll go this way. Sorry. O'n i'n adeiladu nhw fatha, na i ddim mynd ar goll, fydda'n iawn. Mynd straight ar goll. Okay. Your screen is dwytha, dyma di'r dwytha. It's the last one.
Club?
Ella?
How yn mynd i club?
Yeah.
How yn mynd i club?
One didn't llawer o club gen I. I've only got one floor of club. I mean, trying to see the username now to see, like, as a... Because, like, you can... You can make more bell one in a minute. Can you go far here in a minute?
You're about 2 or 3 minutes, to be fair.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No.
Nes i trio. Nes i trio. I did try.
Have you seen a suspicious man in this area?
I do know bouncers.
Bouncers, yeah, bouncers yn yno. Rhosyn llai i ti.
Nice.
Dwi'n meddwl nhw'n crouchio to bed. I don't know if they're crouching. I'm going to go and fuel and see.
Mm.
I'm going to fuel the world. Because mae di bod tua 10 munud. Maybe we do like a little timer, ella? Da chi gyd fanna.
I mean, I think they won. Near the end.
So... yeah, no, dwi'n credu bod wedi ennill.
Yeah.
Prohibition.
Crossing is there. My usernames are actually really handy. The usernames are actually quite handy to, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it balances it out, doesn't it?
Yeah, sorry, nes i'n sylweddoli faint o fawr oedd y map. Mae Rosyn fanna.
Gentlemen toilets. Ladies. Just ladies. Not toilet, just ladies.
Yeah.
Are you
Oh,
prepared?
good one. I think they have one. Maen nhw wedi ennill, dwi'n credu. Dwi'm yn
Brilliant.
cofio. Mae'n drwg pan ti'n bod mae person sydd wedi adeiladu ddim yn cofio bob dim.
Beth
Oh, ti'n
am y stadium? Gallwn nhw bod yn y stadium, like rwndel, rhywle?
Mae yna ffordd i fewn, ond ddim o ffordd yma. There is a way in, but not from this way. I don't know if that's a hint for later on. Well, no, os ti'n fflio, if you fly,
Fi'n
you
meddwl
can.
roedd hyn yn person, or distance.
Yeah, mae yna, ti'n gael statue yna. There's a statue there. Dwi'n cofio
Yeah.
pwy oedd o. Dwi'n credu maen nhw wedi ennill, I think. Yeah.
Beth am yr NCP? Nhw mewn y car park?
Oh, okay. Yeah. A fod honest, dwi'n usual o'r username fel ffordd i gweld. Dwi'n meddwl, ella dyna... Maybe that's the way we balance faint o fawr di'r map. Like, dwi'n cadw
Ah,
Da
wow.
ni di gwybod pawb yn trio ffeindio rhywun arall. Oce, beth i ni wed, na i ddim mewn chat a ddim maen nhw wedi ennill, cos dwi'n yn siŵr os fyddwn ni'n gallu ffeindio nhw, and I don't think we'll be able to find them in Eiliad.
Yeah. Like 10 minutes limits.
Yeah, ella 10 minutes limit. It's like, you won. Cos mae chat yn dod fyny os da chi'n wneud yn y Discord hefyd.
Yeah. Fi'n nhw gweld os ti'n rhaid just on Minecraft, bydd e? Yeah.
Ydyn dod fyny ar
Yeah,
fyny
we
ar gold
got
ydy. Lle ma nhw? I don't know. Where? 'Cause dwi eisiau gweld hwnna. I just want to
Yeah.
see where.
Le nhw'n
How-
cyddo?
Lle ti'n cuddio? Where are you hiding? It's not a trap. It's dim ond, mae wedi ennill. Should jeopardise It's Admiral Akbar being like, it's a trap. Dwi'n gwybod, I'm generally intrigued one, cos dwi'n gallu gweld enw.
Hmm. Perhaps nhw wedi ffigur allan y crouching trick.
Ella. Cos dwi'n meddwl, I think that's the way, like, sy'n balansio pethau dipyn bach.
Yeah.
Efo gallu gweld username. Diarmid, lle chdi'n cuddio? Where were you hiding, Diarmid? Oh no, was it Porters? Was it this easy? Nah. No, yeah, no, I'll give up. Because otherwise, animal surrounds and... where were you hiding? Lle chdi'n cuddio? Oh, dwi'n...
Yn dal muted. Os mae'n siarad mae'n muted ar Discord. Just mynd rownd edrych yn y ffenestri nawr.
Yeah, just be like, stare wyt ti. Di roed on Discord just account, I'd put in Discord as well. Diolch i bawb sy'n gwylio hefyd. Thank you for watching. I know it's not quite, like, it's more like a, dwi eisiau ffeindio nhw, you know. Are you muted? I don't... I kind of want to summon them, because I've seen... os da ni'n mynd nôl i dechrau...
Found him.
Sorry?
Oh,
Found him.
Where
where are you?
The street with club.
Oh,
Yeah,
Nope. I think
Bumby
he's drunk.
Street.
He's going to another pub. Bouncer check his ID. He's inside. He's inside. Yeah,
All right.
there we go.
In tiny...
Off.
That was such a good hiding spot.
It was a bad hiding spot. I wasn't up Womanby Street, was I? I panicked.
Where were you?
I was in the first open door that I saw on St. Mary Street, I think.
No way.
I can show you. You literally you were right by me twice, 3 times.
A lady.
Oh, wow.
Where was that? So that was...
Was that Portal? Oh.
Where was that? So we go back to the castle. I did take screenshots. I think I was in here. So Castle Arcade. I was in I was in Castle Arcade.
Did you go
I
to
just
one of the
panicked.
shops?
I went
Leave
where
all-
everyone else did. I thought anyways.
What-
Yeah, it was.
I was like,
hold on, lost you guys again. It was through.
was it the blue shop? Because I went in there and I was like, I bet you somebody's left the doors open.
Yeah, no, it was in the
So-
blue shop. But what I did was I went up these stairs here,
Yeah.
and then there was more stairs going up, so I followed that, and then it leads into the other space. Kept going around, and then there was this space back here with some stairs, and I was like
So it was
up
right
a couple of
here.
levels. So you were literally, I was literally, sorry, this is a bit long-winded. I was literally by here,
I was so close to you.
and I was crouched. And the first time that you started moving, I saw, like, on the map, I saw your name tag fly up past by here before you went off towards the castle. And I was like, yeah, okay, that was close. And so I hid down by here for a while. But our name tags are, like, visible. So if you crouch, it
Yeah, we
is
discovered that.
Yeah.
and I think after a certain one, it goes invisible. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then I say to Finda, I found Ellyll because I was in here looking for you because I was like, somebody's definitely come here through the doors, and I saw you user tag in that building there, and I was like, okay, there's one person there.
You've been right by here.
I'll go find them.
You must have been right by here or something, because
Yeah.
I literally saw your name tag on the other side of the room, on the other side of this wall here.
Yeah. Oh, that was so. Oh, thank you.
So-
I think we need to make a sort around.
Were we meant to hide in Womanby
that-
Street?
No, anywhere.
Anywhere,
I just
okay,
didn't like
yeah,
how
yeah.
big Ed was.
I hid here.
Yeah.
I hid here, crouched.
That's such a
A couple of times while you were nearby, I uncrouched, but it was probably just not in your peripheral vision. You know.
Yeah, I realised, I think with the screen names, dwi'n gwybod os o'ch chi'n gweld hyn, Owain, it's like levels as well. Like if you're on the same
Yeah.
level, you can see clearer.
Yeah, but you were literally right there. You were like literally on the other side of this
Yeah.
wall.
So I was like, I bet you some people have been in the arcade. Out of that, probably the cuddiad in arcade, because Owen was in the tunnels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was like, bet you somebody's here. Oh, okay. That was really fun round. That was really fun round. Yeah, do you want to do one more?
Yeah.
I know we're meant to be like 9:30, so if anybody wants to dash off, go for it, you know.
Do one more.
Yeah, I'm up for another
Yeah.
round.
Yeah.
Oop.
Do you want to start back in the same spot?
Yeah. It's like a good
Yeah.
starting place.
Get out of here.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah,
Uh,
the Warren that I put myself into. Yeah.
That was such a good spot because I was like, I bet it was the first spot I looked as well because I was like, this is the easy building.
Yeah, I don't know what room building that is, what shop that is, though. I couldn't
Uh,
think.
Meant to be rules of play.
Love this
Right,
shop.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Board game
So
shop.
yeah.
Yeah, because of all the books in it. Because it's like Minecraft is like, how faint a agos yn gallu gael it? How close can I get to the shop to make it kind of look like it?
Yeah.
Basically.
I mean, it's
Um,
just like it.
Yeah, that's for round. Diolch pawb. Okay. Who did I find first? Ellyll. Oh, do you wanna do it by like bit galw a real ysgol school rules, where it's the first one that gets found as the next seeker?
Could do school rules,
Yeah.
Can do.
if you want.
Sure.
Is that the school?
Yeah.
That is school rules, isn't it?
And where you kind of like look against a wall or something to like, yeah.
Ellyll, if I stay up to you. I just went in that building basically.
Yeah. If I shout out when I start, I've got a timer on my watch, so I can.
Cool.
I just starting now.
Run.
Diolch am wneud pawb. Thank you for doing this as well, everybody. A diolch I pawb sy'n gwylio. Thank you everybody for lurking. I know we're not interacting much. It's hype. Sorry?
30 seconds.
Na, diolch am ddod. Diolch I pawb am ddod. Thank you am acceptio'r gwahoddiad. You know? Because I didn't realise how big the map was.
Yeah, it's good fun.
It's my bad.
Oh, I never
You know,
line me up here. Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1. Coming ready or not?
What do you want to do about rules about like hiding username? Do you want to like hide the username for the first few minutes?
I reckon people just crouch. I'll hide your
Yeah.
username.
And maybe like
Yeah. It means then if you need to move, it'll put you in danger because it'll show your username unless you crouch walk, which is slow.
I'm still currently crouch walking. This is painful.
oh, we could do it like maybe I don't know in like 2-3 munud Ellyll os ti isio clue. We'll reveal the names, you know, because the map's quite big.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna see chat because I feel bad because I've been ignoring Twitch chat. I'm sorry. Diolch pawb yn Twitch chat hefyd. Thank you everybody for Twitch chat who's been lurking and stuff. So there is the the exclamation mark and rather it should be on there. We're doing this for Dathlu Twitch Cymru with wonderful streamers. Pawb yn anhygol, fel yn deud, go follow YnChwarae, go follow your screen here, Commander Ellyll, a Rhosyn. Johnny Beard has been amazing arranging this. I thought it was 60, I believe. Was it over 60 last time? A second ago? I think it was over 60 streamers in the end who were streaming like all various stuff as well. There's like so many good like variations and things. We've got some people doing Dead by Daylight, Fall Guys and stuff like that. Man anhygol, it's amazing how much has been raised. I think like £5,000 has been raised so far. And a big shout out to like Emmy, Carlton, the Welsh and things like that. I diolch pawb heddiw am heno. Thank you everybody tonight as well. This is really fun.
It's been lots of fun.
Yeah.
Happy to do this like again, you know, if you want, with like maybe better technology. I don't know.
It's such a good idea. Playing hide and
it's
seek in
good.
Minecraft.
Oh dear. was like, 'cause
how's
I've
everyone's
seen
left
lots of
little
people
finger
do
doing?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, true.
How's everyone's little
so
finger
to
doing
see-
right now?
Wyt ti 'di ffindio rhywun? Have you found anybody yet,
No.
Ellyll? Do you want the username? I'll put mine in. Wait, there you go. You should be able to see mine. We'll put the usernames up now because that was like an easy way to find it.
Yeah. I don't see any usernames at the moment.
Okay, I'll stand up.
I
In fact, I'm gonna jump into a window. Oh wow.
mean, I say they're like a clue, but they're not really because I missed them like straight away, and they were right next to me. You know, in like one of the best hiding spots.
Yeah.
Tisha,
Oh,
clue
I
at
see
all?
someone's name. Dwi'n gweld rhywun.
Ah,
Right, yeah.
No one yet.
well, maybe.
There's no one here.
Pops in there, I think he was lurking and watching as well.
Never find me.
I'm trying to be like, wait, who's turn? Haven't put it yet.
Oh dear.
No. Ah.
Oh, I spot that. Sy'n diffyg chdi.
Where were you hiding?
I was in the bathroom of... What building is this? St. Canna's
colour?
Ale House. Oh, no, that's a... Oh, St. Canna's.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I was in the bathroom, but I climbed up this like thing, so I was right at the top next to the ceiling.
Okay, yeah.
I'd used
That's a
the
good little
trap doors and opened them to like climb up to the top.
That was a really good spot.
Ooh. Where could they be?
Can we fly? Are we allowed
I
to fly?
moved to a slightly easier spot because I wasn't. No, ti'n gallu gweld, yeah, ti'n gallu gweld, can't ni? I don't know how long it's been. Do you want another clue, Ellyll?
Give me another 2 minutes.
Okay.
I found a way
Yeah,
to crouch without actually crouching.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
For the okay.
Breaking the game.
Are we showing names now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Is everybody showing?
just don't. Only if you don't hold on the key. If you find a way to glitch it, you're winning.
I'm occasionally.
I think.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, I think showing
Yeah.
names is probably a good shout now.
Yeah.
It's cheap, but it's not cheap.
I have
Like,
no
I'm
idea.
happy to give clues out. Like,
Marco Polo.
sorry.
You could Marco Polo.
Oh, do you know what? I was thinking that because I've been watching Lethal Company, and I was thinking, do you know what? Proximity chat would be so fun right now if we could do that way.
Yeah.
there's a name. There's a name. There's a name. There's a name.
Oh,
I saw it up here in this building, which is covered in vines.
who was it?
I don't know. I just saw it looked like words.
I see someone
Fine.
hiding
I'm
there.
trying to think which building.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I wouldn't
Hey.
have my clue. The vines. Okay. All right. I'll follow you guys.
Nice.
So, Go.
Where are you guys? I've lost you guys now. Hello.
Oh no, I've lost that.
Okay.
Oh, there you
hide
go.
and seek, but then when you find somebody,
I see you.
The seekers can't even find each other. Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna ring a bell every 30 seconds.
oh, that could be. Actually, we didn't think about that.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna hear in one chunk, I think.
Can you just ring it if it's in your hand?
No, you gotta place it on something.
Ah.
Oh wait, did I see? Was that the world?
The world?
I thought I saw somebody pass.
What?
No. I thought.
What?
Oh.
I thought I saw somebody pass the window. Okay. Tivo bell, Tivo cloch. Do you have a bell? Crossing.
Bell?
Yeah, do you have a bell?
Yes.
Yeah, can you build onto the side without breaking anything? Or if not, I can fix it later. Don't worry.
I can destroy it. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, you do yours first.
Ding.
I didn't hear it.
You didn't hear anything.
Which means
I'll
we're
do mine.
Not in the right chunk.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm also shooting fireworks. I don't know what you guys are doing.
I don't know if you heard mine. I just done mine now.
You're hiding in Newport, aren't you? That's where you've gone. You've gone all the way to Newport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can give clues out as well. If any of you want a clue, I can, rhoi clue I chi os da chi isio.
I mean, I can see your stream. I am nowhere near you.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
You're nowhere near me.
Okay.
So I think this is a fair thing to say. Are you above or below Rossin? We'll give him a clue at least. Right, clue we know.
I am 3 lower than you.
Below.
Oh, I know where you are. I think I know where you are. That's not really helping it. I'm not going to help anybody else. I can.
Oh no, it's not lower. That's to the side.
Can we see? Okay, I'm gonna ring my bell again. See if if you can hear it.
Oh,
And then I'm happy to give you a clue.
I shot the firework in my face. I apologize.
Oh, I see fireworks.
Did you?
Fireworks!
Right, they came out. I could see them coming out of a roof.
That is all. That is interesting coming out of the roof.
Yep, just
I
don't
saw
try to
something
tall.
there, I think. Oh, I see someone.
Flying on the flame.
I have no idea how to get in there,
No.
I do, but...
Blue on entrance. Oh my days.
Oh, you're right. There should be an entrance to everywhere.
Aha.
Whether it's like secret tunnels or above tunnels, there should be an entrance everywhere.
It's not a secret
Bill
tunnel.
Sell-
It's another hole you've made in the floor and it's never fixed.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Rossin. I don't know why you keep finding them. I don't.
I appreciate them.
I was like, my world, my bid being work in progress. It's a work in progress, but I didn't know it was that much of a work in progress.
I can hear fireworks. I heard them. Oh. Which way?
Can you hear?
Yeah.
I could hear them.
I can give you a clue to where I am. Os ydych chi isio, if you want a clue.
I'd say that's up to the main seeker.
I can. I know where someone is. I'm just trying to figure out how to get in there.
Perhaps there's a
You want me to
secret.
give you a hand? Like, I don't know if I built too much. Actually, adeiladu gormod one.
And by the way, I went through a door to get here. This is not cheating.
What? Where's the door?
Lle wyt ti, Rosin? I'm trying to figure out where you are now. You had to get through a door to get there. And you had a firework, so you got a roof. So you're somewhere that's not, you know. Oh, somebody read it! Sorry, I'll let you try and find one of the... Diolch am reidio Eira Sepet. Diolch reiders, croeso i'r stream. Eira Sepet? Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n cyrraedd. Eira, like Welsh snow. Sepet? Diolch cyn gymaint. Sut oedd stream chi? How was your stream? Croeso i'r stream, welcome to the stream. Diolch! Be chi'n chwarae? What you were playing? We're doing a bilingual stream. We have the wonderful Owain from YnChwarae.
Hello.
We have the wonderful Yosco here.
Hello.
We have Commander Ellyll.
Hello.
And we have Frosin.
Hello.
We are doing a hide and seek Minecraft in a world that I've been building for a while. Thought it'd be quite fun for gyfer Dydd Gwydewi. Oh, Dydd Gwydewi, happy pawb, sorry, forgot to say. Happy St David's Day. And for Dathlu Twitch Cymru. Oh, you're playing Elden Ring, that's amazing. Were you doing a certain playthrough of it? Ych ti'n neud playthrough certain o hofo fo? Croeso Raiders, dwi siarad Cymraeg, I speak Welsh, I am a gog, so, you know. Gog Welsh. As
We don't hold her against her.
Ross.
It's fine. It's fine.
This way. Ellyll, this way.
Did you gold me?
She can't spell milk right, but we love her.
I disagree. I think she spells it right.
Era put gogledd am one of us. One of us. Yeah. We were playing hide and seek
Oh.
Minecraft. I'm still waiting to be found in it. Crossing.
Oh.
I have the power to bound you with llaeth, not llefrith. Well, Maria.
Which one's?
Welsh what? Trading Maria and Elden Ring. I do like the Welsh references in Bloodborne. Oh, cool! I do like is it? Can you hear me? Can you find me? Is it called way? I do like the references in it. The references Cymraeg yn efo. So yeah, Croeso Raiders, we are also doing for Dathlu Twitch Cymru. We are also raising money for Dathlu Twitch Cymru, as like there's so many streamers this weekend. Our streamers. YnChwarae was on previously. They've raised about £179 over. No, can't index it now. Go on.
Oh, sorry, bit of a question.
So, tua 10 oedd o? Pan nes ti codi pan nes ti'n byw yn gynt?
Yeah, dig I hanner wedi byth.
So, yeah. So I do believe it was like about 5,000 earlier. But yeah, diolch a pawb yn ddod. So yeah, feel free. Os Eira, because, you know, heard Emmy apparently overall. No! Wow! So we are over 5k! Mae Danny dros
Whoa.
5,000 wan!
Nice.
Amazing.
Oh,
Going
insane.
to like such a good... Man, insane. I did not realise how quickly it was going to go up. Everybody's done an amazing job so far. Pawb di wneud job anhygoel. Mae'n mynd I achos mor dda. It's going to such a good cause. It's going to Tŷ Gobaith. It's amazing. Also, Eira, completely understand if you wanna just lurk, because you should cael bwyd, if you wanna chill out and stuff. Go for it. Completely dallt ar ôl stream. Ti isio clue, Ellyll? You know? Boy!
Ni di ffeindio
Right.
Rosin di...
Yeah. Ooh.
Ti di ffeindio Rhosyn? Okay,
Yeah.
so
Dwi dod i chwilio amdano ti, wan. Os
Isio
dwi'n ffindio
clue?
ffordd allan o'r adeilad fa.
Yeah.
If I can find my way out this building,
Yes.
we're going to be looking for you.
No, ma ffordd
I'm so
allan.
sorry. I did every thing that you could
Yay,
get like
freedom.
through.
Oh, no.
I can give you
Help.
that I'm in like.
You stuck.
Do you want to know that? I did try building like all the secret tunnels and access to everything. Actually, access to bob dim. So I am in one of the your screen here, and Rossin will definitely get this reference. I am in the oldest building in Cardiff and Cardiff. Adeilad hynna yn Cardiff.
The oldest wall. No.
Okay.
Mm.
It's an
Yeah.
actual. It's like the oldest one. Yr un mwyaf hen.
Oh,
yeah.
wait, no.
So-
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did that
yep,
clue arall?
Yep. I was thinking about the other bit. Yep.
Yeah. I can see usernames. I can see username.
Yeah. How do I get in? There we go.
Bill
I have no idea
Can you
where
get in?
it is. I can see
mean,
someone zooming there.
I'd
I
I'd
can see
personally say
username
it's the
right up
castle. It's pretty old.
Just have to get to you.
I can see username. Just
Whoa.
trying to figure it away. You can't fly. Ti yn gallu fflio os ti isio.
Yeah. Not as fun though.
I can see two. No.
Yeah.
Dau?
Mm.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, no. You're coming. Bron. Nearly there. I can see. I think it's going to get me. Yeah, I can see you. I can see you.
Might as well. Come on. Where is he?
Joe's music. Hey! Hey! Yes, the Norman Castle. Is the oldest building. Oh, I thought.
Middle bit.
Yeah.
Can't believe
For
it's
some
built
reason,
by a
I
guy called
thought
Norman.
through this building, but yeah, it did occur to me then that that's most likely going to be it. I thought,
Yeah,
well,
that
maybe
is the oldest building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The keep definitely
Do you
is. The
wanna
keep's
do-
old.
Yeah, because I know there's the Roman wall at the front of the castle, and the castell mae gen chdi'r wal Romanaidd, but I don't think there's another older bit as old as the Norman keep, is there?
It's the Roman bit of wall, but the actual building is the keep. This building was built in the 1800s. The rest of the castle.
Yeah,
Most
by the
of it
Marquis of
anyway.
Bute.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
sorry,
the
this is
gift
work
was-
in progress.
I think it's like a gift to his wife or something.
I want to say yeah,
Oh.
because I know Castell Coch was built at the same time as well.
Hmm.
Because Castell Coch was Marquis of Bute building as well, and then Deilad. Because that's where. Do you remember The Worst Witch in the 90s, the TV show?
Yeah.
That's where Worst Witch was filmed in Castell Coch.
Oh, right.
Yeah. I didn't realise that. I watched the intro recently and I followed Mara Starling and I went, oh, I know where that is. It's like watching Doctor
Nice.
Who now.
Yeah.
I've been there.
I've never been
90%
at
filmed in
Castell I went there with my dad many years ago, and it was closed when we got there, so I never got to go in.
Oh no.
Oh. I don't know if the Doctor Who place is still open now.
If it ha-
Then-
I think it was.
yeah.
No, Didn't
No, I don't think so.
yeah, they moved it to the Red Dragon Centre, didn't they?
Yeah.
And they moved.
Just-
And what did they move it from? Wait, which one was it? The original? Because there was one in the Red Dragon Centre, and then there was one in that big
Dragon
building
Centre.
next to the BBC.
I think it was
ones.
like Doctor Who experience, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's where yn y Steddfod, oedd y Steddfod fan'na, there was an Eisteddfod when it came to Cardiff in there. But I don't know if I think it's just an empty building now, which is a shame.
Ah.
But yeah, I'm sorry, Rosin, where were you hiding? I want to find, where were you? Clearly. Because you should be able to get into everywhere.
Yeah.
You're doing your fancy little trick. Dylsach chdi fod mynd... Sorry, did I do a bad? Nes I wneud drwg yn trio adeiladu fama?
Na, roedd fe'n just like maze. Roedd ni angen mynd like, mewn i'r adeilad. Like, roedd entrance right draw fan hyn, roedd ni angen mynd like, round a lan.
Mynd ar St Mary Street.
Wait, St Mary Street. Wait, hold on. So you're St Mary Street.
Oh.
Och, di Porters? No.
Huh? No.
Where were you? Wait, Kilty.
I lost sight of them.
Right lawr y gwaelod.
Neither. I'm going to do something. This is so much easier.
Ti'n gallu gweld
try
ble
this.
ni yn ar y map? Rwyt ti'n rhoi?
Yeah. So you're right down here. Oh, you got far.
Yep.
You got really far. Really far.
So, in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you were in. Yeah. This. Sorry, pawb. Sorry for this building. This one, yeah.
The back rooms.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah,
hiding
sorry.
spot. Roedd really da.
Yeah, I think I might have overdone it with like the mazeness of it. Faint o maze is clear. Oh, yeah, so your holl ffordd la. You were all the way back here. Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
So this one? Yeah.
You got here quick.
Oh, yeah.
Did I forget a
Yep.
spot?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, now I understand why for ages you were all like, we can't find them. I'm more sorry. I'm so sorry.
No! Oh.
Sorry, no! No! That's too OP. I'm nerfing it.
How long have I been muted? How long have I been muted? I just noticed my mic was muted.
Oh no!
Wait, what?
Oh no, go.
What is the last
No
thing I
idea.
said? Did you hear me say?
Actually, is everybody in the 2 seconds. I'm lost now. That's good.
That makes me feel better.
Oh my
Well, then
god, I'm lost.
Kilty
Oh, there
Rosin.
we go. Ta-da!
Hiya. Okay. Should we all meet back at the there you go.
Yeah.
Okay. At the place dach eisiau neud rownd arall? Ti eisiau neud un rownd arall? Diolch I pawb sy'n chat who's lurking newid. Diolch pawb chat lurkio.
Syniad da.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. We could do one more round then. Diolch. Sorry. Leon Sujiken. Let's put something in chat. Okay. Diolch I pawb sy'n lurking. Diolch I pawb sy'n lurking as well. So yeah. Who wants to go first then? Mynd nôl i'r lle dechrau.
Roedd fi'n cael ei ffeindio'n gyntaf.
Yeah, cool. We'll do school rules. Rheolau ysgol. Yeah. Because Frostin and ffeindio'r glitch. Frostin found the glitch last time. Do you want me to not hide so I can just like find people with you? Tena'n helpach I chdi?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this is. Someone had to go half past. So...
Yeah. So nawn ni neud un fatha hwn yn rownd mwy sydyn a wedyn os a'ch eisiau gadael half past na I fatha rapio wedyn.
Nes dim ond rhoi 30 eiliad.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, go. Yeah, na I ar y ffyn.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
na I...
3,
Okay.
2, 1, dechrau redeg.
Wait, what?
Run!
Thank you in Twitch hefyd. Diolch I pawb sy'n Twitch. So the link here is for the donation. Dim rhaid chi, completely understand if you do. Obviously if you come from Era stream, diolch I pawb sy'n reidio dal yn chat. I'm happy to do like a tour after. Tour bach wedyn, os mae rhywun isio, if you want like a look at the world after. Because this is a little bit of a chaotic boy right now, but you know, it's all good. Diolch am hyn hefyd, Owain. Dwi'n gwybod chdi yn stream. I know you were streaming before, so you know.
Yeah, mae'n lot o hwyl hyn.
Yeah, so you should need hyn with efo.
Yeah.
Diolch. I was listening, because I was like, it was an idea, because I was like, I built a lot, and I was like, well, I'll do lots of like little secret tunnels. Which is good, because I'm getting lost even without golli it. O'n I fatha, so'n hwyl I cael lot o llefydd bach I digwyddiad and stuff. A wedyn Dathlu Twitch Cymru, I was like, well, kill two birds with one stone sort of type thing. O, ti dechrau ffeindio pobl barod? Oh shit.
Yeah, mae 30 geiliad yn lan. Rwy'n ar bwys y cast.
Kill ti?
Drafod un.
Okay.
Rwy'n fi'n gweld... i'r
Dyn
chwith.
cuddiad enw e?
Rwy'n gweld enw... Rwle.
Wyt ti ar bwys y castell wrth ymwyl
Ar y stryd.
St Tabl?
I'r chwith I... Sain hwnna.
Yeah, cool. Sorry, I'm sorry. O'n I edrych at chat. Chat. Thank you both for looking. Thank you for looking as well. I can't... so pawb yn cuddiad username. Is everybody hiding their usernames just now?
Yeah.
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 Reckon...
Yeah, for the first few minutes.
Pa amser bydd pobl angen like, dangos usernames? 5 munud neu like, 6 munud mewn?
Well, be pobl yn dweud, so gadael tua hanner awr wedi, everybody wanted to leave by half past. So if we do like a minute or two, dyna'n iawn?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
we'll do a minute or two and then we show usernames.
Yeah.
So
Right.
nes I neud, yeah? So, Owain, you did 30 seconds, didn't you?
Yeah. But
Chdi
2
do that?
minutes 42 ar y foment.
Dwi'n gallu gweld...
Rwy'n fi'n gweld user...
Yeah.
Oh! Hey!
Helo!
Nice. Rwy'n fi'n gweld enw like drawn hyn rhywle ar y dechrau. Oh. Nice.
And a good little spot on it.
Yeah! Oh man.
Yeah. And actually, when I was building, I was trying to make sure like you could hide in like little, so if somebody finds you, you could run away and be in a completely different building.
Nice.
Yeah. Little, it's like the Avatar, the last airbender that sounds like secret tunnels.
Secret tunnel.
Ble mae'r ffordd?
So, ti'n trio mynd allan? Are you trying to get out the maze or are you trying to look in the tunnels?
Trio edrych tipyn bach.
Okay.
Hynny'n dila cool.
Ti di mynd ffordd ma... Gwelwch chi wan, I can see you, yeah.
Yeah,
There is one here. Oh! So, wait. No.
Oh.
Nah, I thought it wasn't on this floor. It was below. Oedd yn y tunelu, dwi'n credu. It was like this floor. No. Oedd y ffordd ma. It was this way.
But I've nameplate ruin.
Yeah. So, ond oedd o llawr yma, but it was like this floor.
Ble maen nhw'n redeg I?
Yeah. Gen I syniad, I have an idea, but I don't know if it's cheating because I built the world, so, you know. Completely dall os da chi, you know, if you wanna... Because I have an idea, dwi fod syniad. So os chi'n ddod fyny, if you come up here. So, lle ydych chi wan? Chi'n y twneli dal? Na?
Ie,
Rwy'n...
dwi dal.
Dwi ffeindio ffordd allan, rwy'n
Ie.
Dwi
Wait,
dal.
rwy'n dod nôl mewn.
Dal i lawr yma.
O, iawn, iawn.
Wel,
Dwi allan wan. Ie. Wrth lle wyt ti wan? Where are you? Wait, no. So they were like this way. Ma' 'na lle dan castell. Sorry, ddylsa chdi gallu mynd off hwn hefyd. I eiliad. Rwy'n dod wan. So ma' 'na lle o dan yn y castell. Like
Ooh.
position wise, because it was gogledd. Oh, wait, no. Somebody flashed then.
Oh! Ble
Oedd
mewn?
o un eiliad. I saw... Dwi'n gwybod. Alla fod yn fan ma wan. Neu ma'n rhywun arall.
Ie.
Oedd o... So, ti'n gweld lle ma to ma?
Ie.
The ceiling is. Oedd o tu a ffordd ma.
Ooh.
Ond yn gwybod tadio yn... Cos dwi'n meddwl chdi sy'n fflio.
Ie, rwy'n mynd mewn i'r adeilad hwnna nawr. Helo! Unrhyw un mewn fan hyn.
Unig sy'n gallu fatha, mae yna lle fyny fama yn y siopa. There is some space here in the shop, but we're not supposed to separate. Ydy bod yn munud? Has it been like a minute or two already?
Ni 6 munud
Ie.
40 I fewn.
Yeah, so do you want to reveal the usernames? Rhosyn and Dermot.
Mae'r ffordd allan o fan hyn nawr.
Lle wyt ti? Yn yr adeilad yna?
O! O, rwy'n gweld e. Rwy'n gweld e nameplate.
Ti'n gwybod?
Mae'n...
Come on.
O, ble mae wedi mynd? Rwy'n gweld e, I'm like... Yo, sut yw fi'n mynd draw fyna?
Tra'r ffordd na? Ti'n twneli?
Rwy'n meddwl fe mewn ar adeilad.
Okay.
Yr un o'i fellyll mewn.
Os ti fanna wan, i dy
Oh my
chwith-
god, rwy'n hwnna'n jump scare o fi. Y bell hwnna jyst wedi jump scare o fi mor gwael.
Yeah, ti'n llawr yma. Ti'n mynd i'n adeilad. You're in one of the buildings, we're on this floor. Sorry, I've done the world too confusing.
Ie.
Ti allan wan? Ti dal trio ffeindio ffordd allan.
Rwy'n mewn ar adeilad, rwy'n ni'n ffeindio ellyll. Mae'n lan y grisiau, rwy'n trio ffeindio'r grisiau.
Yn eiliad. Lle wyt ti? Ti... Ie, gylch di.
O,
Ellyll?
Ie, dwi'n hedfan allan.
Oce. Ti eisiau mynd ti allan, ta eisiau mynd o'r grisiau?
Ie.
Ffordd ma. View this way if you want to go downstairs. Dy twll yma.
Mae'n lan uwch ben ni, rhywle.
Yr enw.
Mae'n like lan
There is
ffordd fyna.
here. If you come
Oh,
back out,
oh,
ti
dyna'r
dod
grisiau. Nice.
Mae'n mynd i fama.
Ie, rwy'n swnio fel rwy'n lan...
O, dwi allu clywed o. O, bo lle ma nhw. Oce. Mae fyny chi, it's up to you. I know where they are. This will go much quicker. Oh,
It's not...
so I can see a username. I could hear it. They're in here. A ffordd ti'n dod fama yw, ti'n mynd ffordd ma, the way you go here is the access way here. I can't see them moving this way though. I can see the name. I could... That's Ellyll. Wait.
It's na llawr o dan hynny?
Oedd ni yn y llawr o dan.
O.
Mi yn y llawr,
ie.
mae yna ffordd...
Oh,
wait.
Well.
Should gweld rhywun. I saw something. Wait, is that you?
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, well,
Oh!
I saw something, but it's like down this way. Ffordd ma.
No, fan hyn, yn
Dwi'n
like
cof-
tu ôl y wal hyn. No, like fanna. Sut ni'n mynd
Yeah.
fanna?
Through this
Oh.
way, true ffordd ma.
Oh, na. Ydy yn mewn y... I swear rwy'n fi'n mynd mewn un o rhain. Ble
They're
mae'n
just in the...
O, dwi'n gael lawr fan hyn yn rhywle.
Yeah.
We're in the same spot as... In the spot ydych chdi. I can hear them.
Yeah,
Dwi'n gweld o, dwi'n gweld o.
Bloody ador. Ah, no way! No way, ti'n mewn fan hyn.
No.
Ni di bod
Mae'n ei
mewn fan
lawr
hyn.
yma.
Ti'n bring...
Really?
Wyt
I
ti'n
was
mewn...
wrong.
Wyt ti'n...
Well, I think
Wyt ti'n mewn fan hyn pryd o'n i gyd like mynd mewn fan hyn?
Where were you, David? Were you here?
I hid down here.
Rwy'n ni'n dod trwy fan hyn. Like, tri waith.
I saw you and I held my breath, and then you walked upstairs again, and then I heard you guys talking about clues and stuff like that. So I waited until you were a distance away until I uncrouched, and then yeah.
Oh,
Hwna'n clas.
Oh.
Hwna'n...
But-
Wow. Da
thank
iawn.
you for
Da iawn.
Cora, the best spots to hide.
Yeah.
Like,
Right.
We have 2 minutes to find the Roslyn.
Yeah.
If Frost has
I did.
been absolutely
I'm sure os ni'n mynd i gwneud hyn.
I'll follow you the way up.
Right.
Okay.
Pa
we
ffordd
got-
ti'n meddwl? Y castell
Oh.
neu lawr fan hyn?
can't see it username. How far away can you see that username? Faint o bell
Mae'n
ti'n
like-
gallu gweld yr
Mae'n ffordd
username?
mae'n like un chunk. So os ti'n ars hwnna, bydd fi'n mynd lawr y stryd. Hyn. Ac
I
wedyn...
defnyddio secret
Oh, wedyn dyn
tunnels.
dyflannu.
Thank you for these watching on Twitch as well. Diolch i pawb sy'n lurcio ar Twitch. This is an
No problem.
experiment. Mae'n bod yn mynd hwyl. Diolch. Thank you everybody as well. Diolch i Owain, Dermot, Rossin a Ellyll. This has been lots of fun.
Yeah.
Mae'n bod lot.
Yeah.
Wedi bod yn
I
gwych.
used the secret tunnel
Uh.
to get here, by the way.
Oh.
Sorry?
I used the secret
Oh.
tunnel to get here. But I may not
Secret
be still in
tunnel.
secret tunnels, but I had to use them.
Mm.
Quick question, Rossin. Don't know if this counts as a clue. Did you have to use the secret tunnel? Is that the secret tunnel? Is that the only way into the place as well?
It wasn't a secret tunnels under those shops, no.
Okay.
Hmm. A ni gallu split lan i'n edrych am fe?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. Or if mae'n mynd i bod yn amhosib.
Mhm.
Mae
Cuddio
Guinness
mor
yn
dda.
iawn.
I mean, I can see the map. And,
What's this?
Oh.
What's this? Is this someone?
So wait. You didn't use the tunnels underneath the arcade and o dan yr arcade.
nope.
So diolch yn siop felly.
Nah.
But you used the secret tunnel to get in there.
Nah. Yeah, secret tunnels.
Hmm.
What else?
So
are
there's-
secret tunnels in Cardiff that you've built.
A lot, Rossin, that's a lot, Rossin. That's what, like, in IRL Cardiff, bywyd iawn Cardiff, or like Minecraft Cardiff?
IRL.
Oh. Ooh.
You know what I can think of?
Wyt ti wedi creu
I-
canals?
This is for Linnet. I've never
Mhm.
visited this place in person, which is really surprising. See, I'm from Cardiff.
Oh.
Castell. They're in the castle, and I have an idea where.
Okay.
I don't know if it's cheating. Dwi'n gwybod os mae'n cheatio. So it's up to you guys. Mae fyny
Fun
chi.
fact.
'cause dwi'n gwbod-
I don't think it matters.
Fun fact: during the war, my nan used to hide in the castle walls and the secret tunnels during the bombing rain.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Wow. So, os mae Ellyll mama, tri fi teleportio chdi I fi, Owain? Do you want me to teleport to me? Would
Yeah,
that be
sure.
easier? Yeah, Dermot, do you want to do the same as well, or do you want to have a look, see where you are?
See where. Yeah. Coming at you.
So I
Rhaid yma.
hold on. Ti yma, uneiliad. teleport your screen here. To me.
Oh,
Cool.
enter.
So, don't know
Hello.
if it's cheating,
Yeah.
but if you go here,
Who's that?
hello?
I see.
Hello.
Oh, it's Ellyll. I see Ellyl's
Yeah, I'm busy
Let's
looking.
keep-
name tag.
go into this door. Mynd I drws yma.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, is it Crossing's username?
Oh.
Oh, I think I can see him. So yeah, ti'n mynd ar ffordd na. Go this one. This is where the dungeons are in real life. Y bod go iawn lle the dungeons
Nice.
yn waliau. Wyt ti'n y castell waliau hyn, ta ti'n rhywle arall, Rosin?
Dim fel. Who ar y screen?
Dyn nhw'ch ddim screen? I can't see any on screen.
I'm taking a bath. This is taking so long.
There's one place. I can see you. Dwi'n gallu gweld chdi. I think that's you. No, that's Ellyll.
Sorry.
Cornelia. No, don't apologise, it's fine. That's you. So this is main chamber fama. Yeah, so ti'n gallu mynd ffordd yma. If you go here. Sorry, this is very maze-like. Ti'n mynd ffordd so ti ddim... Are you here? No, ti'n fanna.
I got
Oh,
no.
I think I know. You can go all the way. Yeah, ti fama?
Ooh.
No.
Someone's heading the right direction.
Oh.
I'm in a
Sorry.
fourth down. Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
it is a shame I didn't stay in the tunnels.
Oh,
This helps get there.
Okay, so ti
Oh,
ddim
wow.
fama. Here. You can
oh,
be
di hyn
out here.
o dan a keep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
There's a lot of tunnels. So you're not, so ti ddim yn lle.
Hmm.
There's one other spot, mae 'na un lle arall.
Uh-oh.
Mynd ffordd ma.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Right.
Ffordd ma. Oh, sorry.
Secret
Os dwi'n mynd trwy setting,
tunnels.
if I'm going too quick, let me know. You. Ti'n y coedan?
Koi down.
Are you in the tree?
No.
You're not in the tree. Okay,
No.
sorry. Mae 'na un lle arall. Yeah, ti'n gallu.
Oh,
This is
such an
another
amazing
spot. Sorry.
place.
Oh,
Okay. I've intruded on someone's home. What are they doing?
Oh, hello.
Okay.
Oh, bye.
Mute Clark, I believe.
You just found me? Diarmuid?
There's someone here. Who's this?
Hello.
Hello.
You.
It's me.
Okay.
If you come this way. Sorry, I've lost Owain. I don't know where Owain is.
I'm on the stage.
I'm making sure we don't. Forma. Go this way. We are back in Castle. We're back in the start bit.
Mm.
But that's fine. Because can I
I actually saw
syniad?
someone's username, by the way.
Saw someone's using it. Oh,
You
no.
did?
Diarmuid?
Oh,
Kinda seen
nah.
Yep. You were, like,
Oh, wait.
very close. Oh. Don't know who blue
Oh.
is, but you're pretty close.
Where were you? Where were you, David?
Ah.
Ding,
Where
ding,
were you?
ding.
I found you.
Wait, hold on.
I think.
Can I tell to Ross? I wanna see where you are. Don't, because this is genuinely perplexing me now.
Oh, and you're having a bath. Amazing. What an incredible.
Oh,
you disappeared.
Hello.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did it wrong.
I'm
Kirsty, where were you?
I'm in the high. I'm in the
Ti
hiding
isio-
place where Rossin was.
Ti eisiau dod fyny? I can teleport you up if it's easier.
Teleport to me.
Os mae'n hawsach Owain. Okay.
Yeah, teleport to me
teleport
if you want to see
you.
the
Yeah.
the hiding spot. That was a really good hiding
Oh,
spot.
then
Rossin was in the bath.
Where?
Hi, Star Killer.
Oh my god, I didn't
That has such a good hiding spot.
see.
But I read in
How
chat
did you
today.
get
Oh,
that? Hey, how are you keeping with it for so long? You got here quick.
Yep, I'm quick.
This team was a really sudden.
where did everyone go?
I'm thinking
I'll
around
get back
the
there
box.
again. Can't remember what through this wall.
I'm
I got
definitely
through
thinking
this
around the
wall
block.
Nice.
Yeah, there's like
yeah.
an old farm in Butte Park where there used to be there's a really cool old buildings and stuff. This is what it meant to be, but I didn't realize you get this far. Yn ôl, sa chdi mynd fan bella hyn. Yeah, Minecraft and PS4 Ninja Dog Productions. Welcome to the stream, Croeso stream, Croeso stream Star Killer hefyd. So, diolch pawb, this was so good.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's good
hwn mor
fun.
hwyl.
It's really da.
Diolch pawb. Thank you so much. This was so much fun. This went much better than I expected.
It was lots of fun.
Yeah.
Diolch.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine,
Pwys-
don't worry.
Pwy sy'n cael y coron am, like, wel, rwy'n meddwl rwy'n gwybod pwy sy'n mynd i cael y coron am best hider. Heddiw.
I'd say don't. Honestly, the spots were like right next to us. And then we'd be like, oh, where were they?
Yeah.
We were literally next to you.
Understand.
You were so good at hiding.
Yeah. With the balls.
You were so good. It was just like, because you're kicking yourself as well, because you're like, I was literally right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was literally there. Oh. Oh, this is so fun. Diolch pawb. Thank you so much pawb. Os da chi isio, go for it, my lovelies.
Diolch am y
Okey-dokey.
invite i chwarae.
Yeah.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch am
Do
pawb
it
yn
again
dod.
sometime, definitely.
You all shout out. So, Owain is part of YnChwarae. Mae Owain and Dan YnChwarae, who also stream today for Dathlu Twitch Cymru. They're also on YouTube. Maen nhw ar YouTube hefyd. Ti'n gwybod pan bryd bych chi'n fyw nesaf?
Ah!
You know what?
Na, roedd ddim
O
siwr.
gwbl?
Probably wythnos nesa, rhywbryd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, go follow them. Maen nhw'n wonderful. They do mainly Welsh speaking. Maen nhw'n edrych Cymraeg, ond ti'n gwybod, occasionally mae'n dal chaotic. It's still chaos,
Yeah.
regardless. We have Commander Ellyll, who has been doing Baldur's Gate recently.
Yep.
Down Baldur's Gate. Sorry, hello.
Hello?
Sorry, allan.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're
Hi.
playing Baldur's Gate 3. The final act now.
Oh,
It's
nice.
my second playthrough.
Have you turned into a mind flare yet?
No.
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 Dark Urge.
No.
Ah, boo.
I'm a goody paladin
Oh!
on this playthrough anyway.
And we have your screen here, who has been doing Sims and other stuff. Do you know when you'll be live next, or what you're playing?
Nothing scheduled yet, so probably over the weekend a little bit in Saturday and Sunday morning. Try and dig out my notes for doing dice rolls for City Skylines and stuff like that for a little bit of chaos, as well as maybe do some illustration.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's
And
not
then-
me.
And then at some other point, doing Dungeons and Dragons as well live would be
Cool.
kind of cool.
That
Nice.
would be so much
That
fun.
was really fun, man.
Yeah, I hosted one last night for a group, and they did actually play against a Mind Flayer. Level
I
2's
miss playing.
level. Yeah.
No, not the
Did
two.
any of them survive?
So far, they have, yeah. They put the Mind Flayer to sleep. I allowed that, and then one of them grappled it. So, so far, they're still alive.
So far.
So far.
Yeah. There's about 7
Yes.
purple worms that have arrived, and yeah, some Githyanki as well. So
Oh,
That sounds very exciting.
Exactly.
and I'll be publishing then that work. Yeah, because it's all homebrew.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, you have to let us know when you do that, because that would be, amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and last but not least, thank you so much to Rossin as well. I've given Rossin a
Yeah.
shout out. Maen nhw'n person anhygoel. All of these people are wonderful Welsh streamers, or just Welsh people, Welsh wonderful. Maen nhw'n anhygoel. They're so lovely. Go follow them. They're just amazing. A diolch gymaint am cymryd rhan. Thank you so much for taking part in this.
Diolch yn fawr I ti.
hey, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.
Thank you for the
Oh,
invite.
thank you.
Yeah.
Ti lot eisiau cael grŵp screenshot ar Womanby Street?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll go
Yeah.
for it. Yeah.
Nice.
Wee.
Okay, dwi'n...
Okay. So yeah, so as any like a little bit away from it, you can get it in the shot as
Yeah.
well.
Nice.
Where's everyone standing?
Falle... O, mae'n... Rhaid i newid y screen fi i edrych like, o flaen y cymeriad.
Same, I moved it as well.
Mae'n anodd i like symud. Popeth yn
Hold on.
reversed.
I'll be the photographer for an alien. Do you want there? Because then we can look up and you can have the stadium behind us. A ti gallu stadium tu nôl ni.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Blyn ni sef fan hyn?
And then,
Nice.
yeah! Let's get to the stadium.
Lle dwi'n edrych?
Di'r... Oh gosh, beth di'r... Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n F2, ydy ddim F2 dim
I don't know if I can take a screenshot. Dwi'n gwybod os ti'n gwybod.
Just gwasgu Windows print screen. O, Ellyll, just gael symud i'r chwith? Just slightly. A Linnet symud i'r dde slightly. A wedyn...
Oh.
Yeah, Ellyll symud i'r dde, ti'n meddwl bach?
No, wait.
Lovely, dyma ni, hwnna'n edrych. Rwy'n meddwl hwnna'n good. Alright, print screen, print screen, print screen, print screen.
Heb symud.
Yeah. I'm on Xbox, so I
Lovely.
literally just press home and just take a screenshot.
Hwnna'n edrych gwych, rwy'n meddwl. Just check.
Yeah, I'm-
Nobody's actually safio.
Because I was trying to do it on PlayStation, same as your Dermot, and I was like, I'm gonna take a screenshot of the stream later.
Yeah. Do you want me to like Facebook you all the little clips I've taken? I've done it on Xbox, so it's just like taking a video, taking a picture and stuff
Oh, amazing!
for your
Nice.
social media.
Oh, diolch, thank you. Yeah, diolch pawb am tonight. Thank you everybody for today. I know, like, I'll share it with the group when Owain puts it up as well. So coming down, Sarah, take your time with that because I know, you've got lots of stuff going on.
Yeah.
But yeah, diolch pawb. Thank you so much, everybody. This was so much fun and a lot of fun. Diolch pawb. It was so much fun. The realm is going to be up for like a few days, so if you want to take a little walk around, go for it.
Definitely,
Awesome.
yeah. Little, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little like digital card. Oh god. Yeah, sweet. I'll just wrap up the stream then. So yeah, feel free if you want to like stay in the chat or not. And diolch pawb, yeah, go follow Dermot at your screen here and Owain from YnChwarae, Commander Ellyll, Rossin. Check them out. They're all wonderful. We're all doing this for Dathlu Twitch Cymru, so I'll just go over that quickly before I finish as well. But yeah, diolch pawb am ddod, and thank you for being in the chat as well. So yeah, I'll probably leave the chat now then, and then I'll catch up later with all of you. Yeah. As ma'n iawn? Is that alright? Yeah?
Yep.
Diolch pawb.
Diolch
Yeah,
yn
feel
fawr.
free if you want to head
Hwyl.
a couple bwyd.
Yeah.
Diolch pawb eto. Thank you so much. Diolch pawb. Bye.
Hwyl.
Diolch.
Diolch pawb.
Diolch.